You'll feel like you're breaking a lot of stuff when you're building your first computer. Here's the power supply I chose. Now, I don't need 1200, but I wanted 1200. And I did get a great deal on this. This thing looks nice, and videos really don't do it justice. It just hits different when you have these parts in hand. Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous trying to see how this thing would fit. But I got some cable clearance and some relief. If you look closely, you can see my struggle. This part was scary until I sat down and actually looked at it. I was nervous that I'd get some cables mixed up. And still somehow, I made all this stuff fit. Bam. And here it is. I didn't think I was going to get one, but it secured me a 5080 FE. Unfortunately, I did pay a bit past MSRP at $1,200, but I was still happy just to have one. So hopefully it has all the ROMs. And by the way, this was the most stressful part right here. Felt like I was going to break my new GPU pushing it in, but everything worked out first try. And I forgot to get a GPU stand, so I just put some Legos together in the meantime. But what do you think of my build? Leave a comment.